What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Yesterday I was working for UBEREATS and DELIVEROO, and to find out how much I've made, please watch the whole video, and don't forget to give the video a like and a subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you have any questions regarding this type of content, please leave a comment. I just went online with Deliveroo and UBEREATS, so now I'm gonna wait for my first order. I think I just got my first order. My first order is from Starbucks. Oh no, I've got another order from Deliveroo. Oh, okay. Okay, I think I'm gonna do delivery instead. So my first order is from Genji. It pays £3.21. So my first customer is not far, it's only 0.8 miles away.
Mr. Kyle.
Hi.
How are you today, sir?
Good, how are you?
I'm alright, thank you. There you go. Enjoy, sir.
Thank you very
Have a
much.
good day. Thank you. Thank you. I just did my first order, and it's from Genji Whole Foods sushi, and yeah, and that one paid £3.21. Not bad. I'm gonna go online with Deliveroo, with Uber Eats again. I just got my second order from the poke shop. I just picked up an order from the poke shop, and I've been assigned to another pickup, so it turns out to be a double order. The other pickup is from Itsy in Notting Hill. So today I'll be working around Kensington area. Hopefully it's going to be busy.
Keep left to stay on Kensington.
It's raining a little bit. The sky is very cloudy, suggesting that it's gonna rain, I guess. Hopefully it's not gonna rain that much.
Make a right turn on Pembridge.
Google Map is giving me like a route that's very hilly, so I'm gonna avoid that and try to deliver it like nicely. I don't want to go I don't want to go through the hill. The hill at the park is very steep, so I don't want that. So I'm just gonna go through here because I know the area. Maybe happy days. It started to rain a bit more now. Hopefully it's not going to be too heavy. Traffic, traffic, traffic. There's always traffic. It's like 24/7. Seven? Okay, thank you.
Then make a left turn on Avenue.
This is so bougie. Wow, man. Such an amazing apartment. Apartments. I'm delivering poke sushi shop. I don't know.
Level 7. Going up.
No way, there is a quest today. So I'm gonna stay on Uber Eats for the promotion. So if I deliver 8 trips, I'm gonna get £8 extra. Again, this is such a bougie
Level
apartment.
0. Going up.
Wait, how about Ipsy? Wait. Have another food. It's raining quite bad now, so I'm gonna turn it off for now. Wait, I'm trying to find. I've got another food. I don't know where to deliver. It says 2 trips. Where to? It's raining quite heavily now, so I'm gonna wait like for the rain to come down, to stop. And I have food for another customer. So basically I had a double order, and then I dropped off like one customer, and then I press delivered twice, and now I'm gonna go to the second drop-off point. Yeah, when I press the delivered thingy twice, I have to call Uber, and then they gave me the location of the second customer, which is very helpful. It's not nice delivering in the rain. Luckily it's not that cold, but look at this though. Look at that car. That's Porsche. It's so beautiful. Hi, how you doing?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yes, sir. Thank you. Have a good day. Thank you. I had another order from Co-op. I just picked it up. Now I'm on my way to the customer. It's not far. is only 0.2 miles away, and I get paid £2 and £2.90. I'm still getting used to with the Deliveroo and talking, so bear with me. I'm very new to this. I just picked up an order from a German doner kebab. It turned out to be a double order, and the drop-off location is not that far, it's only 0.5 miles.
Before you go from Gary.
Nah, we're gonna wait. I'm already following.
Thank you very much, have a good day. Thank you. Oh, interesting.
We're playing product.
Oh, the other drop-off is not that far. It's a double order. This is nice, a double order, and the drop-off location is not that far. Luckily it stopped raining, which is a relief.
Yeah, it's just nice to have one.
Jake?
Yeah.
There you go, thank you very much.
Thanks.
Thank you. I want to stay like in this area. I don't like going like here. But this area is so nice.
So I was working from 3 o'clock until 9 o'clock, and then so far I have made £40 and 13 pence from Uber Eats, and £62 and 52 pence from Deliveroo. So in total I've made £102 from both of them. and that's for 6 hours. That's really good. So if I wanna work out per like hourly rate, that would come down to £17 an hour. That is really good. Yeah. If you enjoyed this type of content, please give this video a like and subscribe if you're new to the channel, and please leave a comment down below if you have any questions. That'll be it from me. I'll see you in another video.